Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are staying safe and healthy. I'm sure all of you in Riyadh might be knowing Atyaf Mall. The management had invited me for giveaways for random customers there, so I had invited my viewers in Riyadh to join me there. I had in fact put YouTube and Insta stories regarding this. It was on Saudi National Day. It was really lovely to meet many of you. I know my viewers aren't limited in Saudi Arabia, but since this giveaway was sponsored by Atyaf Mall, I had to keep it that way. Some were distributed at Atyaf Mall, few are left and a bumper prize too. So details are towards the end of this video. Keep watching. Because of the pandemic, Saudi National Day celebration was not like how it used to be every year. Kids had 2 days off, that's on Wednesday and Thursday. Then Fridays and Saturdays are anyway off days, so they got a total of 4 days. So on this day, we anyway decided to spend time at Atyaf Mall. It's in fact a one-stop destination. I had done a video before, but thought to take you all along once again to show you all around. Lot more shops have opened and we had some good time there. That's bowling center. Last time it wasn't open, now it is. It's Yalla Bowling. There's a food and drinks counter where you could have some refreshment while having fun doing bowling. Not just bowling, you also have a snooker area. So it's 3 in 1, bowling, snooker and food. Now here's where my kids had some fun time. This is Toy Town. It was a bit crowded, but still there's enough rides to have great time. I guess they have rides for all categories. The tiny tots have their space too. Toy Town is like a fun world for kids. Lots of rides and activities which undoubtedly bring a smile to any child's face. I was in fact worried of Arman getting in this ride as he isn't used to such fast rides. But since Rehan was there to console him, he enjoyed. I guess for any rides, adults were allowed to accompany their little ones. Giveaways were given randomly. I had met few and the best part was I got to see Saudi nationals who are my subscribers. Felt really good seeing them too. Many were not comfortable on camera, hence didn't capture those moments. If you are a cinema lover, there is Vox Cinema. As soon as you enter, you get to see the food counters of Nutella and the kitchen. When you watch movies with your kids, which of course would be kids friendly, there's Food Booster seat. I am in fact seeing this for the first time. Kids have 2 separate theaters, so mommies can definitely come with their kiddies. You can put them into watching their favorite while you have some good coffee with your lady friends. So there's a total of 11 screens, out of that 2 for kids and 2 VIP screens. All these are on the first floor and even the food court. So after roaming around for some time, we had some food before getting down. I had mentioned about this in my last video too. The Yellow Chili, that's Sanjeev Kapoor's, the famous Indian celebrity chef's restaurant. Since we were not in a mood to have Indian food, went over to Fire Grill, that's a Mexican restaurant, ordered rice bowl. Couple of you had messaged me that you had arrived but couldn't find me. In fact, this giveaway invitation was not very much pre-planned. We were not at a particular spot. We were roaming around. Maybe that's why I wasn't able to meet few of you. Getting down to ground floor, this floor is full of shopping. I met another subscriber. When I actually meet them, I forget that I'm here for a giveaway too. There were many more subscribers who had met, but few of them were not comfortable on camera, hence didn't capture those. It was really lovely meeting everyone. Thank you so much for coming. H&M has always been on the top shopping places for quality products. I just got in to check the new collections. Apparel group Grand Central. Now this is something new and wasn't open when I had posted the video last time. It's like a one-stop shop that has so many brands and its collections. Let me show you the brands I got to see inside. So that's all the brands. For grocery and other few shopping, you of course have Lulu in the ground floor. Cosmetics, I think most of you might be using this, and there are famous brands in that too. Saudi Kitchen. If you're following me on Instagram, you would have seen the post I had put on the pre-booking of Saudi cuisine on National Day. There are lots of coffee shops here and there. Don't forget to check this out. Lots and lots in abayas. They have 5 shops now, and I guess all the shops have very good collections there. Every shop has their unique design and quality material that I haven't found myself anywhere else. Abayas in black, different colors, patterns and more. Last time when I had visited, there were only 3 shops. 2 more are open now. Now, I guess many of you might miss visiting this shop, Matalan. They have some amazing collections. I got to see my favorite, that's floral prints. Since it was off day for kids, didn't want to convert it to my shopping day. But I'll definitely take you all again next time I visit here for shopping. My favorite section in Red Tag is accessories and home. And there I got to see another winner for the giveaway. For everyone in Saudi Arabia, few more gifts remain and a bumper prize. All you need to do is follow me on Instagram, Momtastic by Shamshira, and do like Atiyaf Mall Facebook page. Let me show you the gifts. 2 wristbands from Huawei, 1 Oki power bank, and the bumper prize is 40-inch Samsung Smart LED. Don't miss this chance. The winners will be randomly selected by Atyaf Mall. So it's not me who is doing the selection, nor am I in the selection procedure. Do check my description box to know the details if you want to make it clear once again. And to my non-Saudi viewers, I shall definitely have something for you all too. I hope everything comes back to normal like how it was many months ago. Stay safe everyone. See you all with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.